What's up everybody? Hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix camera problem in your device Samsung A04e. So if you're facing camera problem in your device Samsung A04e, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix camera problem in your device.